Welcome to the English listening and reading practice through the story Triple Gem. Through this short and easy-to-understand story, you will have the opportunity to improve your English listening skills, expand your vocabulary related to culture and Buddhism, practice pronunciation and intonation by reading along. At the same time, learn meaningful values about wisdom, love, and purity. Listen to each part carefully, read along, and enjoy the beauty of the language as well as the valuable lessons in the story. Triple Gem. The Buddha, the Dharma, and the Sangha are called the Triple Gem in Buddhism. The Triple Gem is very special to Buddhists. Buddhists pay respect to the Buddha, learn the Dharma, and follow the advice of the Sangha. By doing this, Buddhists believe they can become wise and happy. The Buddha is the first gem for Buddhists. He is the founder of Buddhism. He realized the truth. He is the most honored person in Buddhism. The Buddha represents wisdom. He taught us how to find happiness through wisdom and love. The Dharma is the second gem for Buddhists. It is the teachings of the Buddha. It shows the truth. It helps us to gain happiness. The Sangha is the third gem for Buddhists. It is a group of monks or nuns. The Sangha represents purity. It sets a good example for Buddhists to follow. Lessons learned. 1. Respect and follow noble values. 2. Seek wisdom and happiness from within. 3. Live honestly and purely. 4. Learn and practice together in daily life. Congratulations on completing the story. We hope you enjoyed listening and learned some new words and sentences today. Remember, the more you listen, the better your English will become. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow us for more English listening stories every week. And if you liked this video, share it with your friends too. See you in the next story. Keep practicing and have fun with English.